The trees in Zion National Park are dying. I invite you to look closely at these aging cottonwoods. They're all about 95 years old. Imagine for a moment, if you will, that these are people. If these were people, there are no babies, no teenagers, no young adults. If these were people, you'd be in an old folks' home. This is the Virgin River, and these are revetments or riprap, which were installed during the 1930s to prevent flooding in order to protect the road and Zion Lodge. But a consequence of that was that the reproduction of the trees was stopped when the river was separated from its floodplain. Cottonwoods reproduce when their seed falls on wet soil. The installation of these revetments prevent the river from flooding its floodplain, and thus they have stopped reproduction of the forest. Here you see the river connected to its floodplain and a healthy population of various aged cottonwoods. When European settlers first arrived, they described an abundant forest consisting of cottonwood, willow, ash, and box elder. A restoration project was designed in 2001, and if that were implemented and these revetments removed, the forest would once again begin to reproduce. If not, all these trees will die.